Xcode details. In the Xcode, what are the components are there, what are the general signing and capability, resource tags, info, buildings, and build phases, roles, etc., and attribute size, and we are going to discuss about that. So when we are creating the project, it will be open first page, UI table view I have created by using the project name as a UI table view MVC. MVC is a model view controller. So according to this, UI table view, we have created the project. Now it will be opens the first the general. General means in this general info we are giving that, the project info we are giving that general information, bundle identifier, what's and build. So bundle first name, first is display name is, display name in the it's represent the project name. So I have given that UI table view name, table view MVC model. So this is the class, project name. Here bundle identifier means dot com dot dev point dot your table view MVC. So it declared as a com means dot com, and dev point is the company name, and project name. So it is declared as a bundle identifier. The bundle identifier declared as a dot com plus dev point plus and UI table view project name. This is the bundle identifier. And one more thing, version means in this version, when we are our application is pushed to the app store, while we have to check the version name, so it is the first version or second version or everything. So and bundle means of in the version we can change, we can use like 1.1 or 1.2, 1.3 up to 1.9, we can use 1.12, we can use that version. But bundle mean, build means, suppose when we submitted app to the app store one version, so we have to give the build one. So when we converted to the next build, when we are achieving the project, so we have to change that build to. So this is about the identity. So according to the development info means, in the development info we have mentioned that, version type, our application will be support from to 2. Suppose from iOS 9 to we are giving some, so to support this application, so it supports the from iOS 9 to from up to present OS. We can use many type of versions that, this development info like only for iPhone or iPad or Mac. So we have to give them a check mark for which is supported for this device. And main interface means, in this main interface we have to give that, first page want to launch main or first page want to launch screen, or storyboard or anything. So we have to give that this main interface. And device orientation means, in the device orientation, so we have to, when we are building the application, it is we have to check it is landscape or is available in the application, or landscape or left and right, it is only that in this portrait or anything else, we have to check it in the device orientation. Next one in the status bar style means, it is latest updates in the iOS. From 12 onwards it has been updated. Xcode 12 onwards they updated status bar style. So while we check the status bar, we have to give the check mark whether we want to hide the status bar, or we have to require only full screen, or we have to support the multiple windows for this application. We have to give the check mark for that. This is about the development info. So next one is app icon and launch images. So app icons means we can give the app icon for the, by using the check mark. So in this app icon we have to give that, different sizes of notifications, and array. 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 Sorry friends. In this app icon we have to give the sizes of our app icon for the different images and different for iPhone, iPad and not iPhone, not iPad settings, everything. We have to give the app icon. And launch screen we have to give the launch image also, but it is the main or that's all. Support intention means we have to give the extra like RSS library frameworks, everything we have to mention that in the support inheritance, like frameworks, libraries and embedded content. Suppose of when we are using like a third party library, like Facebook or Gmail integration, Twitter and Facebook, any integration we are doing, so we have to add the library frameworks for that, and it is works for this through the project only. And the next one is deployment assets, means when we are deploying our app to the app store, we have to give that assets for that conditions, everything. So this is while grieving while open the project, it will show the general information. And sign in and capabilities means um, when we created project, the well, we have to give the app developer account credentials for that file, download the xcode or everything. It will give the personal info. I have using the personal info, so we can use that everything, so we can change that everything, like provisional certificate and sign in certificate. I will give the when we submitting to the apps to the app store, I will remaining everything. Resource tags, this is not useful. Info means this is about the app info in life cycle. So this is app application support, either it is we have to give the mention type also. Bundle identifier, like everything bundle version, launch screen, interfaces, extension and app security, bundle identifier. So when we are everything bundle settings, these are like deployment type, linking, packaging, everything we will discuss about the future concepts. Like here is it is one version is the present in this next code I am supporting like shift 5, so we can use the shift 5 version, or everything we can use like shift 4 or 4.2, everything, so we can choose that. This is bundle identifier. In this bundle identifier, we have to give the dependency types and compiler, source, linking libraries, and bundle copy. When you are using the like third party, we have to upload that everything for that. In the build rules, this is main concept when we are using. I will give the when chart application. I will mention that also. So next we are going to discuss like so this indicates like a project in project navigator. In this project navigator we have created a project. Now in this project we give that class names. So UI table is our class name in this class name, and the product is give the default one. Like app delegate is the well, we create a project, it will give the app delegate dot shift, and it will give the also sin delegate dot shift. It is a v controller. In the v controller we have to give the main type, we have to write the code, everything. It is main storyboard. It is used for the to designing the storyboard, everything. And assets means it will we will give the images, everything in the assets of dash dot xcut. And a launch screen storyboard means when your application will be launched, and this page it will be show that user info display, like launch image, or like in everything in the text info dot plist means in this it all declare the types of launch screen army, everything. This is it declared as a source controller. Navigator means when we created a Git. Git or everything. It will gives our navigator branches. Like when we created the Git for our branch, it will be shows the everything like branches, everything. Here this such is indicator, like to search our any text or any file or any project in the by using touch. In the text there is the different types of search methods, like first like I mean first or last everything. This is warming indicator, like issue indicator. When we run the our project, it will show the issues of navigator everything. This is warming indicator, like test to navigator. So this is what they implemented the test UI text in the default framework for the iOS everything. And this is for debugging navigator, where it will be got the issue from current line, it will be show the debugging navigator. And it is the breakpoint navigator, it will be gives the breakpoints we have, where we have kept and everything in the project. This is reporter navigator. I will show that which line we have run previous, when we have run the project at day and time, everything. Up to last 1 week will be store the test report for everything. So this is like I mean indicates like to create a table storyboard for you UI I mean UI kit framework everything. It will show the capabilities everything. It shows that I mean it indicated like I mean project splitter. When we have to comparing the one screen previous and before one, we can check here the where the bugs are everything. It is shows the I mean hide and show the inspector, hide and show display. It will be hide and show the inspector. So this is about the everything in the Xcode. But while Xcode we have to run by using the control R. In this product we can go that command R. So to run the, I will go there. From here I will show from file. In the file we will for new is to create a project or everything we can use. Like in the new there is the different types, like we have to use like a files or target, playground, project and shift packages also, everything we can use in the project. Editor means like only it will be paste and preview format only. View it is like editor or hide and code review changes, navigator, debug area, everything we can use. Find where we have to find the path of project and replace the project everything. Navigator it is like a project out. Editor it is like I mean it shows the code flooding, syntax, coloring and font size everything. Product it is a line in the products which will show that run profiles, analyze and build for performance building, and clean and build folder, schema, destination, test plan and creative board everything. Debugging like a breakpoint, so where you have to keep the debugging workflow everything. Source control it is representation as a git cycle purpose. Windows means it minimize r everything in this further. Help means in this help like I mean Xcode help. Suppose of what is array like everything we can search in this search controller. So that's everything. uh, Previously we have discussed about the life cycle everything in the previous video. And next session I am going to discuss about the Xcode, I mean storyboard. What is storyboard, and how to create a storyboard. In the storyboard what are the UI elements we have to drag and drop, or while we are using the UI elements, there is the two types, like I mean getcha type and non-getcha type. So just we can drag and drop and we can use like for that. And getchers we cannot drag and drop, so we have to give that double touches for that everything. While we in this project next session I will give that what is the label, what is button, what is speech and everything, how to take a speech, how to connect the everything. In the next session I will discuss about that. Thank you all, please subscribe to my channel.